What's up everybody, Todd here. Today I've got the Momentum HD cold air intake from aFe Power that we're going to install on our 2020 Ram 2500 with a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel. Now there's a lot I like about this system. The housing is constructed from heat soak resistant cross-layer polypropylene. It's an oversized air box that looks amazing under the hood, and it creates a sealed system so that it only draws from a cold air source. However, you also have the option to open up the auxiliary inlet to allow for even more airflow. There's a convenient window that allows you to inspect the filter at a glance to see if it needs to be cleaned without opening the system. Inside this unit is their massive Pro5R filter, which completely dwarfs your disposable factory air filter. Using a 10-layer progressive cotton gauze filter media, the Pro5R comes pre-oiled for maximum airflow and exceptional particle filtration. They also offer this unit with the Pro-Dry S filter in case you prefer synthetic filter media over oiled. All the components are held together with stainless steel T-bolt clamps. Now that's a very nice feature that's much stronger and more reliable than your traditional band clamp. The aFe Momentum HD cold air intakes are made in the USA and backed by a 2-year warranty. We ship them for free to anywhere the law allows in the lower 48 states. So if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.